You made a fool of me, but them broken dreams have got to end. Hey woman, you got the blues, 'cause you ain't got no one else to use. There's an open road that leads nowhere, so just make some miles between here and there. There's a hole in my head where the rain comes in. You took my party and played to win. Ha ha, woman, it's crying shame, but you ain't got nobody else to blame. Evil woman, evil woman, evil woman, evil woman. Well, Heidi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with you with something very interesting, hopefully for you all. Classic song from the Electric Light Orchestra again, and a song called Evil Woman. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original version. Okay, so we're starting off. What you heard there was basically everything you need to play the song. Basically, it's verses and choruses. Okay, there's nothing else in it really. Okay, so let's get to it. So rather than bore you to death with all the verses and choruses, I thought I'd just do a short version for you and then break it down. So here we have it. So we're starting off with this sort of bluesy, jazzy intro. And the first chord we need is a C9. Right, so what am I doing with this? So we're starting off with the third finger. It's barring the first three strings on the third fret. First finger is then playing the second fret of the fourth string, the D string, and then my second finger comes up and plays the third fret of the A string, the fifth string. Okay, and that is a basic C9. You can strum down from 5 down to 1. Okay, if you want to try and get clever with it, you can try and bar with your second finger both the third fret of the bottom E string and the fifth string together with just that single finger. That second finger bars both the third fret of the sixth string and the fifth string. But that's quite tricky. Okay, so I would stick to just doing the fifth string on the third fret with the second finger. Okay, so you strum that chord down. You made a fool of me. And then we take the chord, this exact same chord shape, a ninth, up to the 8th fret with the fifth string and the third finger, playing the top three strings, barring on the 8th fret. Okay, first finger are now on the 7th fret of the fourth, exactly the same shape as this, but up here. So the bar is on the 8th fret, the first finger is on the 7th fret. Okay. So first two chords then, so C9, you made a fool of me, then the F9, but then broken dreams, and on dreams we play this. It's an F sharp diminished. Okay, the way I played it is this. I play the first fret, I bar the first fret on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with the first finger. Then my third finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and finally my second finger goes up to the bottom E string on the 2nd fret. Okay, so then you basically strum down from 6 down to 2. It should sound like that. The fifth string is muted by the back end of the second finger. Okay, which is okay. So you just basically need to hear the bottom E string, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so F sharp diminished. The easier way of playing that, I suppose, would be to do this. Okay, first finger is playing the first fret of the 4th string, second finger is playing the first fret of the 2nd string, third finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and pinky is playing the 2nd fret of the top E string. 4 down to 1. Should sound like that. So if you take that shape, it's you made a fool of me with the broken dreams, on dreams that is, but it doesn't sound quite as good as that because you get a nice deep bass note into it, yeah? So you made a fool of me with the broken dreams got to end. Last chord is a C. Ideally it needs to be a C with a G in the bass, so a standard C chord, but the 3rd finger goes up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, the bottom E string, 3rd fret, pinky takes over on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the 5th string, sorry, 5th string, no, the A string. Then you've got C, but with G in the bass, the bottom E string on the 3rd fret. Then you get that nice deep bass note, all 6 strings. Okay? If you can't manage that, just play straightforward C. So far, and that's it. So far, the basic 3 chords, 4 chords rather, sorry. C9, you made a fool of me, but then broken dreams have got to end. Okay? Then we play a little pause, and then it's like do that sort of thing. So 3rd fret, bottom E, 5th string, sorry, 5th string, 3rd fret, three hits sort of thing. Then we go up to the 7th fret of the 5th string, right, and then 2 hits on that 5th fret of the 4th string. So okay, so far then and then we're going into the verses section. Okay, so the intro again in its entirety. So it's C9, you made a fool of me, but broken dreams have got to end. You can hit that once if you want. Actually, it probably sounds better. You'll have more time to change chords then. Okay, just hit that one once. Okay, and then we come into the verse section, right? Or it just hits the chords to start with. It's A minor. Okay, now I'm playing everything here as a bar chord, so A minor bar chord, 5th fret. Really has to be bar chords to get the right sound on this. Okay, and then we go to an E minor 7th. So I'm barring the 7th fret, first 5 strings. You could do all 6, but I'm only playing the first 5. Okay, 5, and then 2nd finger goes to the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and the 3rd finger goes to the 9th fret on the 4th. 5 down to 1. I'm not hitting the bottom E string. Okay, E minor 7. So A minor. And then we take this shape down 2 frets to the 5th fret and play a D minor 7th. And then we go back to the E minor 7th. And those are the 3 main chords of the song, right, of the verse. Okay, so it's and the chorus. Okay, that's how I'm playing it. Okay, so it's keep it simple. Okay, so I'll slow that right down for you. Okay, and that's all the way through the chorus of the chords for the verse and the chorus. Okay, so the A minor again is a 5th fret bar all the way across, and then the 7th fret of the 5th string and 4th string with 3rd finger and pinky. Okay. So let's get into that part of the pre-verse, if you want to call it, build up to the verse starting. Okay, so from the very beginning. made a fool of me. But them broken dreams have got to end. Play this 4 times and the singing kicks in, okay? Right, here we go. Hey woman, you got the blues, 'cause you ain't got no one else to use. There's a open road that leads nowhere, so just make some miles between here and there. There's a hole in my head where the rain comes in. You took my body and played to win. How woman is crying shame. Now it changes on the very last line. You go F major 7. That's an F chord with an open, lift the bar up, lift open top E string. Right? But you ain't got, then we play a G chord, either an F shape on the 3rd fret. I'm playing a 4-fingered variety. Or you can play a bar chord if you want. Or a normal G there. Normal G shape. Okay, F major 7th, G, and then C. Again with G with a normal C with fine, ideally one with G in the bass. Okay, so let's do that verse again, slowly. Alright, here we go, from the very beginning. I just do 2 and I'll start singing. Hey woman, you got the blues, 'cause you ain't got no one else to use. There's an open road that leads nowhere, so just make some miles between here and there. There's a hole in my head where the rain comes in. You took my body and played to win. How woman, it's a crying shame, but you ain't got nobody else to blame. Okay, got the idea? So that's, but you, F major 7, ain't got no body is G, body else G, C, else to blame. Stop, and then it goes, just single notes will do on this, so 3rd on the 5th, 7th on the 5th, and then that's 5th on the 4th. Now we play the chorus, and the chorus chords are the same as the verse, okay? Evil woman, evil woman, evil woman, evil woman. And they go off into another verse. Rolled in from another town. Exactly the same to play as the first verse. Okay. Now, obviously, if you have got 2 guitars, it's a lot easier. But there is that very iconic little bit, which is quite difficult to fit in, but it can be done. Okay, so it's evil woman, and then you go. Right. So what am I doing there? Right. So it's 7th fret of the 4th string, and I'm going. With the pick, I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, then down to the 5th fret on the 4th string, so, and then to the 7th fret of the 5th string. Okay, so it's evil woman, right? And then you do the chords again, evil woman, and then you do, what you do then is you do it backwards, so you start on the 7th fret of the 5th string to the 5th fret of the 4th, and then you end up on the 7th fret of the 4th, so that's the 5th string, 7th fret, 5th fret of the 4th, 7th fret of the 4th, and then you just repeat the first one again. So it's from the beginning, it's evil woman, evil woman, Okay, so you do 2 lots of each, okay, basically. Obviously, if you can't manage that, just play the chords, okay? So, evil woman, same as the chords of the verse, okay? But it is nice to get that in. So it's evil woman, evil woman, evil woman, evil woman. He turns to town, it's some gold to settle down, and so on. And then it just repeats verse, chorus, verse, chorus. You get the idea, don't you? So there we have it, a nice short, easy peasy lesson for you all. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.